Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if File Explorer is crashing or freezing upon creating new folders on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now into this elevated command line window, I want you guys to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now is all one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard to run this command. Will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully your issue should have been resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.